Hello, FCA staff. Greetings from Kansas City on this 11th of January 2016. I believe I've met most of you, but if not, I'm Grant Yost, and I am the new manager of Web FCA. This quick screencast is to announce the release of the new Web FCA template on Monday, January 25. The new template is named Joshua version 2. We're retaining the Joshua name to make the update process easier for you. So you won't have to arrange any content, and the new template is really mostly an update to the design of the template, and that design is going to match the new look and feel of FCA.org. So under the hood, the code is going to be staying the same. As I'm talking, I'm going to show you some examples of the new template. So you can see it right now, Oklahoma FCA. That is the new template. That's Joshua version 2. To update to the new template, you will need to fill out a form on fca.technology. We're going to send out a link to you. We'll send out that link to all website admins, and it'll also be sent out in the scouting report. And as always, please contact me if you have any thoughts or questions. I would love to talk to all of you. In fact, part of the update process is probably going to be just like a 5 or 10 minute conversation that I'm going to have with almost all of you, just because I would love to hear your perspective. I would love to actually talk to you, and then it'll actually help with the update process a little bit. So we love feedback, we need feedback, and we definitely want to hear what you all have to say. So the new template, you can see it features a hero unit. There are 3 ways to use the hero unit. One is to showcase upcoming events, and that's what Oklahoma FCA does. So you can have a background image or a background video that goes along with the event, and your hero unit will be changing. So you see here on Oklahoma FCA, they're featuring a marriage retreat, and that's going to be February 5 through 7, 2016. So one of the things, if you're going to do that, you want to make sure that we don't go to your website on February 10th and there's a past event on there. So you need to make sure you're really active in updating your content if you are featuring events. And the crew in Oklahoma has done and is doing an awesome job with their site. A second way that you can use the hero unit is to use a background video or image that is specific to your area while still having a general heading. So an example of that would be FCA South Central Arkansas. So they have a general or generic heading here and a generic subheading and no button with a call to action. So if we go back over to Oklahoma really quickly, you can see they have a custom heading. They use the generic subheading, but then they have a call to action. You actually click on that Register Now button, and it takes you to a page on their site. And we can link that to anything you want to link it to. So we can link that to WebConnects or whatever we want to. But the second way that you would use the hero unit is if you have like some background video footage like South Central Arkansas does. This is of their Fields of Faith night. And if you have footage like that, we can actually put it on your site. It just needs to be a YouTube video. I can talk to you all about that. When we talk on the phone for just 5 or 10 minutes, I'll go over all of this. If you have some video footage, we can put that to use. And one of the great things about this, let's say that the crew in South Central Arkansas doesn't have a ton of time to constantly be changing their site. Well, they do have content, this background video that's specific to their area, but also they don't have to go in and change it constantly. It's still going to look good. Another example of someone using a picture that is specific to their area is Houston FCA. So that's a great image. Again, we have a generic heading and subheading, no button with a call to action here, but it's great because it's local to their area. Another way, the third way to use your hero unit is to just have the generic background video, which looks great and which is on fca.org, and anyone can use this and have just a generic heading, subheading, and then here on FCA North Jersey, there's a button and a call to action that says get in touch, and you click on that and it takes you to their contact page. And the crew North Jersey, really everyone I've been working with has done a really great job, and I've appreciated that feedback a ton. And these are some great sites to take a look at. But those are the ways you can use your hero unit, and we'll be in touch about that when we get the chance to talk on the phone. So when it comes to customizing your hero unit, you'll be talking to me. That's how we have it set up for now. We're hoping to set up a script and a code generator that will actually update that automatically. It's not set up yet, but it's in the works, and we are hoping to get that set up. Something else to be aware of is that the site customizer and the theme selector will no longer be available. If you have some feedback on that, let me know. Always want to hear your feedback. For now, that's the plan. The best way to learn is to look at examples of sites that are done really well, and we do have some of those. We'll be sending that out, sending examples out over email. Probably I'll be writing some blog posts and kind of showcase people who are doing things really well. And that's something I want to encourage us to do as staff, is to learn from each other. And so that's really about it when it comes to this video, this screencast. I want to say thank you to you all as FCA staff. It's an honor to serve you. And as always, we would love to hear feedback whenever you have it, so that we can better serve you. So thanks a ton for watching, and I look forward to talking to all of you and getting your sites updated to Joshua version 2.